Did you know Slovenia has its own Tuscany? Welcome to Jerusalem. Let me take you on a walk through these golden vineyards. We start our journey in Svetinje, a quiet village offering some of the most breathtaking panoramic views in the entire region. Halfway through, our path leads us to the restaurant Taverna, widely considered one of the most beautiful spots in Slovenia. Standing proudly on the hilltop, it commands a spectacular view over the endless rolling hills. Finally, we arrive in Jerusalem. It's not just a place, but a feeling of total peace. If you love hidden gems, this walk belongs on your bucket list.